Shay here, and I am back with a mukbang. I just made some shrimp rasta pasta and some grilled shrimp on the side. Of course, I have to have my grilled shrimp. Y'all know that, but I'm gonna dive right in because I'm hungry. I've been hungry all day. I've been starving. I love shrimp. My favorite food. I don't have a straw. I need a straw. But I'm going to eat without it. I'm going to drink without it because my phone's going to die any second. And I'm trying to get this video in before it does. So if it dies, I'm so sorry. Oh, this is so good. Can I help you? My dog. He's normally locked up when I record, but I decided to be nice today. I guess. Bomb, bomb, bomb. I'm gonna tell y'all a story about this drink. The champagne soda, Jamaican champagne soda. I got stuff all over me. I don't know where the stuff came from. I'm not dressed or nothing because I just wanted to get this video out, but not get this video out. I really wanted to get some food in my system, to be honest. So I said, I'm cooking, I'm recording, so I might as well make a mukbang. But that's the story about the soda. Did you guys know that this soda catches fire? When I was younger, quick story time, story time. When I was younger, I knew these Jamaicans. They lived on the corner from me. They were twins. But I don't know who put it on the ground, but they put it on the ground and they lit it on fire and it like lit a trail. And I was like, what the hell? Why would soda do that? So one day, I went to the store and I bought one for myself. So I said, let me go in my backyard and try this for myself. So I bought it. I had like a little cement slab in my backyard. I poured it around the slab. I'm on the inside of the slab now, me young and dumb. I'm on the inside. I lit it. And I'm watching the fire go around me. And I'm like, how the hell am I gonna get out? But it wasn't like a big flame or nothing, so I just hopped my fat ass over. And yeah. It lights on fire. It's flammable. I think that's like the proper term. My dog is staring at me. Do y'all see how beautiful this is? I really want to squeeze some lemon on it. Jesus Christ. Dog, while you sitting there watching me, you can go get me a straw, please. Make yourself useful. How have y'all been? I feel like I make a video, go missing, make a video, go missing for a longer time, come back, make another video and go missing. I'm so inconsistent, but I'm trying to get better. I work so damn much. I'm on vacation now. On vacation. But, yeah. I'll go back on the 23rd, the 21st, 23rd. This stuff is so good. I spent all day yesterday doing my hair. Do y'all like it? I will play with it, but I'm eating, so. And this channel ain't for that. I know y'all probably like, why is she talking about hair? We here for the food. Me too, child. Me too. I definitely am here for the food. I tried to do the ASMR thing. It's too weird. Like, it literally is too weird. Because I don't have Tourette's, but I don't have Tourette's, but there's something close to it. I can't keep quiet the whole time. I have to say something. So that's like the weird part. I have to talk. Even if I'm not on camera, I still talk to myself while I eat. Oh, Jesus. I'm trying to hurry up because I know my phone is going to die. And I do not want it to die. Anybody knows me know I love peppers. Peppers and onion. That's my deal. Yes, I sure did lick my fingers. I'm at home. Mind your business. I don't know if I'm gonna finish that skewer of shrimp. I got some more RASTA pasta. I might save it for tomorrow. I have an audience today, guys. He's just staring at me. It's really weird. Creeping me out. It's a difference when I'm recording them. I know people are watching me, but y'all not here with me watching me. But I wish I could see my daughter sitting here watching me. I literally put just a shirt on today for this video because I cook naked. Well, I'm not gonna tell y'all that. I can't be the only one. I mean, we grown, right? I cook naked. Like, who don't cook naked? I mean, if I'm cooking for myself, I'm cooking naked. Yeah. If it's for myself, I'm gonna cook naked. But I'm gonna save that because I'm like really full. Y'all, I did not make a thumbnail. I gotta make a thumbnail. I'm about to put more I can't be the only one. I'm about to put some more I'm about to put some more RASTA pasta right here in the middle of this plate. I'm about to clean this plate up. Put some more in the middle and get me a thumbnail because I feel cute. So I'm about to get me a thumbnail. But that's all, you guys. Thank y'all for watching. If this is your first time here, then welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. And if you are here being nosy, then thank you for the view. But thank y'all. Talk to y'all later.